Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about subsetting data. Subsetting data involves isolating specific data elements from a larger data set by applying predefined conditions or criteria. By doing so, analysts can concentrate on a more manageable and pertinent portion of the data for their analysis. For instance, when conducting a sales analysis, subsetting data may involve extracting only the sales figures from a particular region or during a specific time period. This targeted approach streamlines the analysis process and enables more accurate insights to be derived from the data. Data in R can be subset using square brackets, where row and column indices are specified. For instance, to extract the first three rows from a data frame df, the syntax df13 is employed. This command selects rows 1 through 3 from df, while leaving the columns unspecified for retrieval of all columns in the specified rows. When working with data in Python using the pandas library, subsetting data can be accomplished efficiently. To select rows based on a specific condition, you can utilize the syntax df column name 50. This code will filter the data frame df to include only rows where the values in the column name are greater than 50. For instance, imagine you have a data frame containing information about student exam scores, and you want to extract all rows where the scores are above 90. By applying the code df exam score 90, you will generate a new data frame that includes only the rows with exam scores exceeding 90. This approach allows you to easily manipulate and extract data based on specific criteria, streamlining your data analysis tasks. To filter and display students with scores above 80 from a dataset using Python, you can utilize the pandas library. The provided code snippet demonstrates this process. Initially, a dictionary data containing student names and scores is defined. Then, a data frame df is created using this data. Subsequently, a new data frame high scores is generated by filtering df based on scores above 80 using the condition df score 80. Finally, the data frame high scores is printed to output the selected entries. Example: in a school setting, if student scores are stored in a CSV file, the above Python code can be employed to identify and list students who have scored above 80, aiding teachers or administrators in recognizing high-achieving students efficiently. Subsetting data is like buying a bag of assorted candy and only picking out the gummy bears, just like selecting specificitums from a wardrobe full of clothes to wear for the day. It's similar to filtering through a playlist of songs and creating a new playlist with only your favorite tracks. Imagine going through a pile of mail and only keeping the letters that are important to you. Subsetting data is like refining a search on a shopping website to only show items in your size and preferred color. This code snippet showcases subsetting data in R based on specific conditions. We have a sample dataset, students, containing information about student ID, age, and score. 1. The first subset operation, high scores, selects students with scores higher than 85 by filtering the student's data frame based on the condition students does score 85. 2. The second subset operation, older students, filters the student's data frame to include only students aged 20 and above using the condition students age equals 20. 3. The third subset operation, specific student, extracts a specific student with student ID equal to 3 by applying the condition student's student ID equal 3. Each subset result is stored in a new data frame and printed to the console for display. This code demonstrates how subsetting data can be used to filter and extract specific subsets of information from a larger data set, which can be further analyzed or used for various purposes, such as generating reports, identifying trends, or conducting statistical analyses based on specific criteria. One industrial application of subsetting data could be in the field of e-commerce. For instance, a company analyzing customer data may want to subset the data to focus on customers who have made purchases above a certain amount in order to target them for specific marketing campaigns or loyalty programs. Another real-world example could be in healthcare analytics. A hospital or healthcare provider may need to subset patient data based on certain criteria, such as age, medical condition, or treatment outcome, in order to perform detailed analyses for improving patient care and outcomes. Subsetting data allows businesses and organizations to extract valuable insights from large data sets and make informed decisions based on specific conditions or subsets of data. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.